Mastering dates, the power of ordinal numbers. Hello there, language learners. Today we're taking another step forward in our journey to understanding English. We're focusing on a very crucial part of communication: dates. Specifically, we're going to explore ordinal numbers and how they're used in English dates. Whether you're writing a letter, scheduling a meeting, or celebrating a birthday, understanding how to correctly use dates is key. So let's get started. You might be wondering, what exactly are ordinal numbers? Simply put, ordinal numbers are numbers that describe the order of things or their position in a series. For instance, if you're running a race, you don't want to come 1, 2, or 3, you want to come first, second, or third. In English, we use ordinal numbers when speaking about dates. Let's take a closer look at ordinal numbers. After the numbers 1, 2, and 3, which transform into first, second, and third, the rest of the ordinal numbers from 4 up to 20, and beyond, usually end in th. For example, 4 becomes fourth, 5 becomes fifth, and 20 becomes 20th. It's a simple pattern that once you understand, it will be a breeze to remember. Now, how do we use these ordinal numbers in dates? In English, the day of the month is often expressed as an ordinal number. For example, July 4th is pronounced July 4th, or February 14th as February 14th. Note that in written English, especially in a formal context, it's common to see the ordinal indicator, street, nd, road, th, after the day, such as the 1st of July or the 14th of February. To make sure you're getting the hang of it, let's do some practice. If today's date is June 16th, how would we write and say it? That's right, it's June 16th, pronounced June 16th. How about if your birthday is on October 1st? Yes, that would be October 1st, pronounced October 1st. Well, that's all for this lesson. We've gone through what ordinal numbers are, how to recognize them, and how to use them in dates. With practice, you'll be mastering the art of English dates in no time. Thank you for joining us on this language learning journey. Keep practicing, and remember, every step, no matter how small, is progress. See you in our next video.